we have heal in reverse. We also got for you with love. We also have the charm. We also have faith. So gusto sabihin ng Panginoon na have faith even on yourself as well, kasi gusto sabihin ng Panginoon na meron kang potential. Okay, if you doubt yourself, always remember that you are there because of the reason that you can actually do it. So we have this one in reverse. We have the guilt. So, gusto sabihin ng Panginoon, i-let go mo kung ano yung nag-hold back sa'yo. Maybe some of you, this is about the guilt of a past or something that's triggering that you didn't heal yet. Okay? So, if ever that's a case situation, gusto sabihin ng Panginoon na mag-take some time ka to heal about whatever had happened in the past. Okay, kasi ito yung dahilan kung bakit minsan hindi mo nagagawa yung mga gusto mo sanang venture. So, we also have the done in reverse. We also got the test in easier way. If ever you're actually doing something, gusto sabihin ng Panginoon na wag mong i-ending kung ano yung venture mo because of the reason that you're being tested. I feel kung sakali man naghihirap ka ngayon with regards sa yung venture, I'm sensing na actually, parang test of faith din yun. To be honest, I feel na gusto sabihin ng Panginoon na may pag-asa pa sa yung venture. So sana, wag mong i-give up. Kung naman yung napagdadaanan mo ngayon sa iyong venture, ito ay pagsubok lamang, okay? So, God is asking you to have faith and believe on yourself, okay? Kung sakali man you're actually doing something like baking, like making an art, whatever, siguro ang baba ng tingin mo sa gawa mo, okay? Pero gusto sabihin ng Panginoon, na tingnan mo yung magandang quality ng gawa mo. And practice makes perfect, okay? Okay lang na magkaroon ng mistake, okay? But I feel like God is wanting you to know na you will get there, okay? Sa tamang timpla ng product or kung ano man yan, okay? So, you have the bless in reverse. We also got the cold in here and we got the bliss in reverse, okay? Gusto sabihin ng Panginoon na sana mong aksayahin yung venture. Kasi mangyari niyan, if ever you fail the test and nag-give up ka, mangyari niyan, instead na may parating na blessing sa'yo, mawala pa. Okay? So, gusto sabihin ng Panginoon na if ever you're into a venture, okay, sa ngayon, gusto yung sabihin, give it a try, give it a push. Okay? Don't give up hope. Okay? May mga bagay na dapat kang pagdaanan, maybe to learn something. Okay? So, anyway, that's it guys with regards to your reading. I just hope this may give you some insight about your situation, and God bless all of you.